So I'm braving Target just to bring you January special. I am in the craft aisle. Take a big hit. What do you think January special is going to be? What's up, bag babes? It's your brave girl, Rockstar Rochelle, back for another video. And guess what? It's January special, and you know what January 2019 means? More organization. There is a ton of things you can do with the upcoming special, like kids' toys, your home. There is a ton of ideas, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. And make sure you come back on January 1st, New Year's, for potentially a live party again, just to thank you all and to hear about Rockstar Special. Yes, it's coming back January 1st. All right, see you, bag babes. Take care. Target's getting crazy.